what's up? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this look here. This is kind of like a blue festival, sparkly, glittery kind of look. Yeah, so to start off with I'm going to be using the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer in the shade 1115 and then just blending it out with this fluffy concealer brush. So to set that concealer, I'm going to be taking the NYX No Filter powder in the shade Ivory and a fluffy setting brush from Models Prefer. Okay, so for eyeshadows, I'm going to start off with the shade Dawn from the Anastasia Subculture palette. So this is just going to be our transition shade. So yeah, just blending it with a big fluffy brush all over the crease, and yeah. So to deepen it up a little bit, I'm going to be taking the shade Roxy. It's just a bit darker, it's peachy kind of colour, and just putting it in the same spot as the other shade. So now I'm just using the NYX Single eyeshadow in Cool Blue just to kind of go over the shades, make them a little less vibrant, because this look is mainly like blues and purples. Yeah, so then I'm going to be taking the shade Axis from that same Anastasia palette, which is a deep greeny blue colour. Yeah, I'm putting that in the crease. Okay, so to give the crease a bit of depth, I'm going to be taking the shade Piece of Cake from ColourPop. It's just one of their single eyeshadows. Yeah, just putting that in the crease with a tapered blending brush. So this eyeshadow is the NYX Dramatic Chromatic eyeshadow pigment in the shade Piggy Bank. So I just got a domed eyeshadow brush, sprayed it with the MAC Fix Plus, and then yeah, put that all over my eyes. As you can see, it's a really vibrant light blue colour. And then after that, I just took that same ColourPop eyeshadow with a pencil brush from Sigma and just went along the edges just to make it a bit more smooth and blended. Now I'm going to be taking the Inglot eyeliner in the shade 72. It is a like neon pink colour. These eyeliners are amazing. They're the gel eyeliners and they go on so well, so smooth. Yeah, so this is that bright pink colour and just lining my eyes with that. For my mascara, I just took the Maybelline Illegal Lengths one and yeah, just coated my lashes with that. So for false lashes today, I'm taking the XOBeauty lashes in the Soulmate. Yeah, not much to say, but yeah, just putting on some false lashes. So now I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is a new product that I just bought recently and I really like it actually. It goes really nice with the foundation that I used as well, which was the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation in the shade 01. These two go really nice together. It gives off a nice finish, makes my foundation last really long, pretty much all day. Yeah, so there you go. Using that same concealer, the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous one that I used on my eyes, I'm going to be taking this under my eyes with a Real Techniques blending sponge and a precision concealer brush to just go under my eyes and get really close to the eyeliner to make it really sharp. Yeah, that's what I did. I then set my whole face and my under eyes with the NYX No Filter powder in Ivory. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be bronzing my face with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer and a Duo 5 brush. So yeah, just under my cheeks, my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, jawline, all that. I'm just going to be bronzing and then I'll contour with the NYX contouring and highlighting palette and an angled Sigma brush. So I'm trying a new blush today. This is the L'Oreal Blush Sculpt in Soft Rosy, I think that's what it's called. It's quite a shimmery pink blush. I'm not a huge fan of blushes, but this one was quite nice. And then I'm also going to be using a new highlighter. This is the Ciatè. I'm not sure how you say this, I'm so sorry. But it's the Glow 2 highlighter in Moondust. So I'm just filling my eyebrows as usual, not much to it, but just using the ChiChi brow pomade in blonde and an Anastasia brush, angled brush, yeah. So I just re-went over that eyeliner to make sure like the colour was still there and it still is vibrant. Yeah, just going over it because I didn't want it to get lost with putting on the lashes and any powders that might have went onto it. So for under my eyes, I'm going to be taking the shade Axis and just putting that on my lower lash line. I didn't get a good shot of it, but I did also put some of that NYX eyeshadow pigment under there as well. So yeah. So now for the glitter. So I'm going to be taking the Too Faced glitter glues just to help the glitter stick to my face. So I'm putting it kind of on the arch of the eyebrow and also the inner corner. The glitter that I used today is the In Your Dreams Cosmetic glitter in Purple Unicorn. So it's just big chunks of kind of like iridescent kind of glitter. Yeah. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment anything you like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.